Hey guys, so I'm really excited for today's video because Make Beauty sent me their Diffusion Dew Skin Tint and I'm going to be trying it out for you guys today. I do have really dry skin and I'm always on the lookout for a good hydrating skin product, so I'm really excited about this and I really hope it ends up working well for my skin. I'm going to be trying the shade Fair if you're wondering, but let's see how it looks on. I really like the packaging of this product. It just looks really sleek and clean, and I also love that it has a pump. I hate when skin products don't have pumps. It's just so much more convenient. But I'm gonna take a couple pumps of this, rub it in with my hands. I'm not gonna use a beauty blender because I would normally apply a skin tint with my hands. My skin looks so healthy and hydrated. I literally cannot believe that it looks like this right now. This product just looks like your skin but better. It's actually insane. It's super lightweight. It's not even separating anywhere on my face right now. And usually everything separates around my nose, so I'm super happy about that. I just can't get over how hydrated my skin looks right now, but I'm gonna do the rest of my face makeup and then I'll come back to show you guys what it looks like. I just finished my makeup and my skin looks so good right now. I didn't add any foundation on. This is just the skin tint, some concealer under my eyes and over any blemishes, and I did add some powder on. I really wanted to see how it would look once I added the powder because that's typically when I start to notice some separation around my nose. But my makeup looks so good right now. There's no separation, no patchy areas, and there's still a light glow to my skin even with the powder on. I am literally obsessed with the skin tint. I would truly recommend trying it out, especially if you have dry skin. My makeup hasn't looked this good in forever. I absolutely love this product. I'm gonna have their account tagged in the description if you want to check out their page and maybe browse their website, but this skin tint is truly worth it.